Question number 39. An unstable nucleus at 84 to 18x, 84x to 18 decays through a sequence of emissions of alpha and beta negative particles form stable nuclei 83 210. See what's happening here? 218 becomes 210. Okay, which means there should definitely be an alpha decay. First, what we'll do is, okay, now let us read the question. How many alpha and beta negative particles are emitted during the decay process? For such kinds of questions, because it can be chaotic, how we do not know how many alpha, how many beta particles are emitted. So what you do is, let us first take one alpha here. If I take one alpha is emitted, and let us say I get Y here as an output. So what can this be? This will reduce 2 protons over here. This becomes 82. This will reduce 4 nucleons, right? Alpha particles is 2He4. So therefore 4 nucleons will be reduced. This becomes 214 over here. 214. And one more alpha particle is reduced. That means what? You get Z here, which will now be 80 here. This will be 210. See, we have already achieved 210 here. Only thing is 83 here, right? So therefore now we need to look at, okay, how many beta particles are emitted. So we are going in the right path. 2 alpha particles is correct, which means this is incorrect. This is incorrect, right? And then now let us look at beta particles. How many beta particles are emitted? Let us start from here. Beta negative. One beta negative it emitted. Then what can happen? This can become 81 Z1. Let us say ZA 210. Mass number doesn't change. Okay, if you want, I can write it down like this. If you don't want like this, I can write it like this. I can now write Z80 210. Now I'll write only beta decay. Now this gives rise to minus 1 E0. Let us say this is some nucleon A. Okay, nucleon A. And what will be the number here? This is what? This is 80 here. This will become minus 1 E0 plus A81 210. Right? And if I take the second decay, what will happen? Minus 1 E0 once again plus, let me take my image and put it over here. Okay, plus B. Now in order to conserve this one, what will this become? This become 82 210. The next one it becomes 83C 210. So 83C 210 is here. So therefore 3 beta particles and 2 alpha particles are emitted. Answer C.